action.
Okay, action.
I'm here at Austin Speed Shop. I'm checking up on the Terminator. You know, it's taken a little bit longer than expected because even in the best of times, it's hard to find parts for this car. It's 62 years old. It's older than me. You throw in a little bit of supply chain disruption, labor shortages, and other insanity, and it's just taking a little bit longer than expected. And as you can imagine, I'm really anxious to start working on the car. So while we're waiting on the last few parts to come in, I decided I'd come down here and remove the Apple II Plus computer that monitors everything in the vehicle so that I can start working on that and refurbishing that. So I'm here and I'm going to see if I can get in the door. All right. Okay, you want to get some of this. Now, the car has these giant spectrum analyzers, and of course, these doors never open, so I have to remove these plugs in order to open the door completely. I can't not believe this. This is just a huge amount of effort to build this. Okay, so the Apple computer is in this compartment under here, and look, there's a bonus screwdriver. And wow. Let's see if I can get it out. It looks like look in there. Take a look. Okay. This has not seen the light of day in 3 or 4 decades. So I'm not surprised. Alright, what is this? We got analog to digital converter board. And oh my god. If this thing works, it will totally be a miracle. All right, so there it is. I'm going to take this home and put it on the bench and see if I can refurbish it and get it to fire up. The Apple II computer controls the amps and monitors temperatures and voltages and things like that. So anyway, I bought this computer in 1979. Like I said, it'll be a miracle if it works. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'll check in with you next time.